Yeah, so as a child, they had, classic asthma attacks with wheezing, coughing, and visible difficulty breathing.
Right.
But as they got older, their asthma attacks actually became less obvious.
Interesting.
They started experiencing unusual fatigue and mild chest tightness,
Okay.
but they didn't initially connect those symptoms to asthma. It took some time for them to realize that they were actually experiencing silent asthma
That
flare-ups.
must have been pretty scary not knowing what was happening.
It was. And, their experience really underscores how important it is to pay attention to even subtle changes in your breathing patterns and to seek medical advice if something feels off, even if it doesn't fit that typical asthma picture.
It's a powerful reminder that asthma can change over time.
Hmm.